Hey guys, welcome to Tots and Moms. I'm Kavita Prashant and today's recipe is French toast sticks. These are great finger foods options for your toddlers and great snack option, or as the vacation and holiday is running, you can make it anytime in the afternoon or in the evening, and I'm sure your kids would love it. I have used egg in it. If you prefer not to use it, I don't know how to make it yet. I would try making an eggless version further, but now let's dive right in and see how to make French toast sticks. To begin with, in a blender jar, I would add 2 eggs. Whole eggs I am using here, followed by milk. The measurement of all the ingredients would be found in the description box. Please have a look. Sugar, vanilla essence, followed by cinnamon powder. This is the main ingredient of this French toast stick. Now we'll have to blend all the ingredients. You can even beat it in a spoon if you don't want to add it in a mixer jar. But to get a creamy and frothy texture, it is good to blend it. Our mixture is ready now. We shall keep it aside and now remove the edges of the bread. Cut it in this shape and collect it in a plate. We'll now have to add this cream which we have prepared on top of the breadsticks. You can even apply it in a spoon if you feel it becomes too soggy. The second time I tried it, I made it like that and it worked well as well. Flip it. Once you pour it over, at first leave it for about 3-4 minutes. Again flip it and leave it for 2 minutes. And now it is ready to fry or roast. I'm just using a small amount of butter. For kids, please do not limit yourself. You can add in how much ever butter you want, and even both the side you can apply it. Place it over the pan once it is hot. Cook it at one side. It may take about 3-4 minutes again. Once done, we'll flip it over and cook it on the other side as well. My daughter and the older kids, my husband and my brother, also like this recipe. So please give it a try. Once done, we will take it over to a plate. It's now time for the final step. Cinnamon and sugar mixed. We will add it or just sprinkle it on hot toast which we have just prepared. Ensure that you sprinkle it when it is hot, otherwise it won't stick to the bread. And our French toast sticks are all ready to be served. I hope you like this recipe. There are plenty of such easy finger food and snack options and more of ideas in our playlist. So have a look at the playlist section. Towards the end, I would have added in the blank image. So click on that to watch all these snack options continuously. And if you are watching our channel for the very first time, I would say please consider subscribing because I post regular baby food and kids food recipes. Thank you so much for watching this video. Take care. See ya. Bye bye.